Welcome to the podcast Bharat Charcha. Today it's going to be about a very fascinating episode where we'll talk about PR, styling, red carpet look, and behind the scenes. Avantika Tokas Midda, is going to introduce you a renowned PR and stylist, Jasmeet Kaur. So, Jasmeet, I want to thank you for taking out time today and being here with us.
No, I would like to thank you for, calling us and talking about what happens behind the scenes, because nobody talks about that.
Right.
Everybody talks about what's in front of the screen and, what's happening, how people are, looking so nice and glamorous
Yeah,
in front of the screen and what other people, there's so much hard work.
that's
There's
true.
so much happening behind the scenes, which nobody actually gives credits about.
Yeah, what's
Yeah.
happening on screen is because of her and because of more people who are into
Absolutely.
this
Absolutely.
profession. So today we learn a lot of new things about styling, about PR, your work, how you deal with celebrities, how you deal with influencers, which is again a market to talk about.
Yeah.
So just share a few things, how you want to begin sharing your experiences of your work.
See, wherever you work in, be it any industry, everything is like there are good aspects to it and there are,
That's true.
some bad days
That's
to it.
true, yeah.
And in our industries, there are little, comparatively more, like bad days
I know what you mean.
than
Yeah.
good days. Because honestly, there's so much in the market that everybody wants to
There's
accomplish.
so much of
Yeah,
competition
there's
everywhere. Yeah.
so much of competition that people, every influencer, be it a celebrity, everybody wants to wear the top brands. Everybody
That's true.
wants to get in to the top league,
Yeah.
and the entire focus goes on to you. Like the entire pressure is built upon the PR or the stylist,
Mm.
and that's about it. But it's obviously it has the perks of it as well. There are people that you connect to, inspire you.
I'm sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now that you've talked about, building up that stress and talking about that everybody wants to look good on the camera. So, I want to talk about this also with you, that how do you handle that stress? How do you understand the person you're working with? How do you know you can go a long way with them? What is that connectivity which you have to build on ground with working either with either with a celebrity or with an influencer? I know, like, there's like variety of people.
Absolutely.
So it's not an easy job to be
Yeah.
there with the same frame of mind,
Yeah.
with that happy face, with the smile, with that creativity. So people should know
Yeah.
that whatever happens behind the curtains, behind the scenes, and
Yeah.
what comes on the red carpet, it is basically the PR that is working on them.
Yeah,
And
absolutely.
honestly, since I know you,
Yeah.
I have worked with you, and there are so many other projects that we're
Yeah.
working together on. So I know I've seen you working hard. I know it's not easy. So why don't you just tell the audience what is it like?
So it's a roller coaster ride. It is a
Yeah,
roller coaster ride.
indeed.
It's not like something, and especially I'm married and I have a 3-year-old son.
True.
So it's
And a cute one.
he's
Really
a toddler,
cute.
and they have their own tantrums and
Yeah.
everything. But also, like, since the time my child was 2 months old, I've been working.
Hmm.
So even he's very familiar with the concept of my mother working, and I'm very familiar with the concept of I have a.
But it's tough,
Yeah,
honestly.
it is tough.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I have seen you
Yeah,
working around the clock. We've
absolutely.
spoken during the day, we've
Yeah.
spoken at night, we've spoken in the. It's always about work with
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
She's definitely one woman I know who's maximum about work. There is
Yeah.
no doubt about
Yeah,
it. Yeah.
yeah. And even with all my clients, be it brands, be it influencers, I would not talk about celebrities because celebrities, they have like middlemen,
Yeah.
and you're more connected to the middlemen than the celebrities itself. Like you're more into the manager, or like you're more friendly with the managers, celebrity managers than the celebrity themselves.
Okay.
So all my clients become family. I
Right.
don't know how this happens,
So it
but
depends on
eventually,
person to person.
absolutely, most of
That's
my clients, I would
basically
say,
when you're graceful,
yeah,
when you know how to cater,
absolutely,
when you know how to be engaging, when
yeah,
you know that you are good at your work. Why would anybody want to leave you for
yeah.
that?
Also, Antika, like at the end of the day, we're all humans.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
all need to take care of, even if an XYZ is paying you, they should be understanding that at the end of the day, you have a family
That's true.
that you're
Yeah.
going back to,
Mhm.
and like even they have a family that they're
Yeah,
catering to.
yeah.
Similarly, they have to understand that even I'm a human being,
Yeah,
that even I have responsibilities other than my work.
that's true.
Though our work is something which is like something, as you said, around the clock. It's
Right,
happening
right.
even at night. We're talking on the calls, brands discussing, influencers telling us that tomorrow we need
And there are
something.
end-minute hassles also
Yeah,
that I've seen you in.
yeah,
I mean, I remember calling you up and telling you, okay, there's something tomorrow which
Yeah.
is coming up.
yeah,
So just mean we have to, like, this has to happen.
yeah,
So I know you've done something in 2 hours, you've done something in 4 hours. So,
yeah,
there's a constant hustle of
yeah.
bringing things together.
But also, like,
There's mental health that we look
absolutely,
at,
absolutely,
and the constant way of being on social media, on that platform,
Yeah.
which is like moving every second is very different. Every
Absolutely.
second there is a story, and you have to keep up with the pace of the fashion, with industry,
Absolutely.
with new styles, with to see that how can you also maybe do better.
absolutely.
How can you scale up in your
Absolutely.
things?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's something which is very competitive. Every
True.
day is there's a new brand, there's
Yeah.
a new influencer.
That's true. Yeah.
This
Yes.
industry, and like every influencer has their own aesthetics,
True.
and everybody is really nice in their own genre. And I appreciate and I love what everyone else is also
Yeah.
doing.
Yeah.
But the thing is that for us, it's almost every day a new hassle.
Hmm.
We are not somebody who are working on the laptop. We've given an Excel sheet and we just have to fill in the information.
Right. Right.
That is not. It is the most innovative job, I would say.
True. True.
To be very
I mean, creative,
prompt.
I feel for a lot of people, they understand when you say creative, it's just probably wearing a denim, a t-shirt, and just walking out of the house. No. Creativity comes with your passion,
Absolutely.
with applying your tremendous mind and hard work on it. And that's how you make the person appealing on screen.
Absolutely.
Like we know there have been people, I mean, I'm not judging anybody here, but we know there are all sort of people. Somebody is tall, somebody is short, somebody is average looking, somebody is maybe beautiful. So, your job of getting them to that perfection
Yeah.
is commendable. That's what I want to
Absolutely.
say. And when I was new to influencing, honestly, I was clueless. You know it. I was absolutely clueless, and I was vouching on you for a fact that, okay, yes, styling, yes, I knew. But sometimes when you're in a different field,
Yeah.
you want to have a helping hand.
Yeah.
And I found that in you.
Thank you.
That how could you
I'm
bring
grateful,
that
like-
fashionista thing? Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
But
definitely.
you always had this thing to like wear different clothes. You were not like even if you come from a background which is more like you were into law and you were into other things, but you always had this thing that you want to try out new
Yeah,
different things.
that's true.
You were not like adamant about things that I'm not going to wear this, I'm not going to wear that. You want everything.
Yeah, probably because you got the best things for me. So why not try? Might as well look more glamorous and know your looks.
Yeah.
So with you, I've experimented on my looks and I've loved it,
Yeah,
honestly.
absolutely.
Yeah.
That but the credit goes to you as well. Like it's a teamwork.
Yeah.
It could never be
That's
one
sweet of you.
person.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's about it.
Great. Now I want to know that what is the difference between working with an influencer in that circuit and working with a celebrity? So, like, how do you scale that? How will you measure that? What is the magnitude of the effort that you have to put in when you're working with an influencer and you're working with a celebrity? I'm not saying that both are different in respects of coming on the screen and working for a particular brand, but of course there is a magnitude, there is a way to at least show that how, like, celebrities, they change rapidly, they have a lot of brands to do. Influencers are, some are budding, some are like really well known.
Yeah.
So there is a phase. How
Yeah.
are you like clubbing that phase, and how do you work? How's the shift?
See, the thing is that celebrities are very they know their thing,
Okay.
They usually know it.
Right.
That they want this, and this is what they're actually looking at. We
So
get a
when you
brief.
say they want this, as in they know what they want to wear, how they want
Not
to
really.
act
They
in front
just
of the
know the kind of clothing they would want to wear. Like, they
Okay.
want Western, they want Indian, they want this, and they want, they don't like, they don't simplify it so much as well.
Yeah.
But at the same time, influencers, because, when it comes to celebrities, you work with them like for, say, projects,
Correct.
and I've been working on retainers only with influencers.
Right.
Because celebrities, I'm so sorry, but they pay you like per gig they pay you way better than an
Of
influencer
course. Yeah.
pays
Yeah.
you
That's
for
true.
per gig.
As much I know you, and I've seen
Yeah.
you working with like really good names. We are
Yeah.
going to talk about it.
Yeah.
Those big names
Yeah.
that you worked with.
So
But
they
yes.
pay you very well for one gig also. So you don't have to like tell them that you hire me for the entire month
Yeah.
and then you keep me. It
So it's
does not.
project basis
Yeah.
how
So
you
it's
do.
more like a project basis thing. And with
And that's more
influencers,
fun.
that's fun. That's something, and they're very good with it.
Yeah.
Like influencers, you have to tell them.
Right.
You have to tell them that this is what you're going to wear and this is what is going to look nice on you.
Right.
But with the celebrities, they are a little more thorough
Correct.
with what they'd like to wear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, right from the beginning, I've liked that zeal about you that you're very clear that, okay, this is my motive and this is the pay scale and package that I'm looking at. A lot of people, they talk, no, we are here for only this, we are here. Back of the mind, they know they want to make so and so XYZ money. But in your case, it's very clear and evident that I'll work hard into 100, like 10 times or 100 times. But this is what I want.
Yeah.
I'll not compromise on
Absolutely.
that, which is like so clear. This is
Yeah.
what I like about you because
Because,
I know you're promising,
Yeah.
you'll deliver.
Yeah.
Usually, I have seen PRs, they promise,
Yeah.
but they don't deliver to an extent
Yeah.
the way they make promises.
Absolutely.
So with you, it's different.
So see, there have been situations where I haven't delivered, but then what I don't like to do about things is that I don't like to take somebody's money and then keep it with myself and not do anything.
True.
Maybe I'd like to compensate it with something else,
Yeah.
but I try to make sure that whatever they're paying to me is justified.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to keep that money and keep it to myself
Yeah.
for nothing.
True.
Because I'm not somebody
Yeah,
who's
I love that.
in
I mean, it's not a vegetable ठेला that you come and say, भैया ये इतने का है, वो
हाँ,
उतने
and
का है,
there are
तो
people.
ऐसे कर लो, वैसे,
हाँ, हाँ.
So I think India is very high. They have this appetite of asking for discounts in
Yeah,
everything.
absolutely.
They have this habit कि चलो सब्जी
थोड़ा
वाले
रिवाइज
से
कर
शुरू
लेते
होते
हैं.
हैं तो
हाँ.
पीआर पे जाके तोल मोल पे रुक जाते
For
हैं.
example,
Yeah.
अगर आप एक because I handle makeup artists also.
Yes.
So,
True.
for example, if a new makeup artist comes to you, they ask you that, what do you do and this and that. You tell them, okay, this is what will happen and this is how much you have to pay me.
Yeah.
So they want everything, but
Yeah.
they will say
I know that
you
for a fact. Yeah.
so they will say that, you cut down on the commercials,
True.
but you have to give us everything,
Right.
which is not possible.
That's true.
How can I do that?
So how about the tantrums? Like,
Oh God, don't even ask about
I know personally a few. We can't name. We know that. But how do you deal with their tantrums?
It's crazy. It's
That I want this, I want that. I can't pay you this much. I can't pay you that much.
See.
But I want everything. And then eventually, you know that you've worked hard. I know.
Yeah.
I have seen you bringing things together for them, bringing brands also for them. But in the end, they'll be thankless.
It's a
Yeah.
thankless job at the end of the day, I'll honestly tell you.
So how are you dealing with that?
So, like,
Do celebrities also?
no,
They don't.
not at all.
So that's
the plus point there.
that's the notch up. Like,
Not
of course,
at
you would
all.
definitely want to
So
work
when
with them
even
more.
if I meet, like I've met Sushant and I've met few people,
Yeah.
but they're very nice and they like to promote you also.
So name a few for us, like for our guests. We would love
I've
to
worked
know
with
the celebrities.
Sameera Reddy, all
Okay.
thanks to Vidushi,
Right.
and she's been a constant support. And I've worked with Sushant Kohinoor, Rani Kohinoor.
Correct. I know that for a
And,
fact.
yeah, and I've worked with Miss Malini. I worked under Shireen's team as well.
Right.
So yeah, I've done a lot of things, but the thing is that
You don't post too much about all of this.
I'm not somebody. Yeah,
I just
I'm-
see the stories, So the reason that we have her with us is that we want public to know that the kind of work and the kind of people that you've dealt with, the kind of celebrities at your age, of course you're young and you have that zeal, you have that enthusiasm.
Yeah.
So why don't you just put up posts and let people know that, okay, you have these set of people that you have, you've been revolving around and more to
honestly,
it.
like I was somebody who's always behind the camera, behind the scenes. I've never been somebody who's.
But your page has to be right in front.
Yeah,
That's fine.
that's that. See, after you suggesting me to come up with something like
Yeah.
that, then only I came up with a page and I did all of that. But
But the awareness was always there.
yeah,
You knew it.
yeah,
And I like the fact that you were very confident that, okay, I mean, I know my work. I know people are still
Yeah.
coming to me. I know I'm working for
Yeah.
them. But I still used to think that why this woman is not posting? I mean, why that something is missing? You know, people should know that she
Yeah.
has these names.
Maybe
But
after this, I come up with my page and probably,
oh
you know,
yes,
start
yeah,
influencing,
yeah, yes.
start being the
By the way,
face
there
of
are
the
more new
brand.
things to add to. Yes, that's true. Yeah,
You know, start being the
yeah,
face of a brand. Maybe let's see how things roll up now this
yeah,
year.
yeah.
I'm hoping, you know, for
I'm
better
sure it's going
things.
to be fantastic. By the
Yeah.
end of the year, there'll be many new things that will be added to Jasmeet's crown. You know,
Yeah, absolutely.
so
I'm hoping for the best.
yeah. And now let's talk about a little bit about. I mean, you have spoken about your son. You have said that you know you're just working around the clock. What is it like to be a mother of a toddler or maybe 2 year old and still just be around house, just be around him, just be around work? And how are you managing everything?
It's crazy.
I know it's tough.
It's one word, insane.
It is. It
It
is.
is.
Yeah. So
Because
people know that you're working as
yeah,
a PR. People know you're putting things together.
yeah,
People know that you're bringing the best out of them.
yeah,
Of course, you're bringing the
yeah,
best out of that's your work, right?
yeah.
But the point is how that sanity, how that level of concentration is there at home too, is what I want you to tell people.
Yeah, so basically, it's been so long that, you know, I'm into this thing, and there are friends who also help you. Then you have a proper, like, I have a person who helps me with the social media.
Yeah, I know you have a team.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so there are people who contribute, of course, they help
true.
us out, and obviously, it's the entire teamwork that contributes. But having said that, you know, there have been times when I'm in a meeting and my child, you know, shouts from behind, and
Right.
you know, he's all rowdy and all that. But then I told you this as well, that all my
And I know
clients,
when Yappy wants you, I call him Yappy. His name is Anurag, but I call him Yappy
yeah,
because first word that me and my daughters heard was like
yeah,
Yappy.
you heard
So that's a
from
very cute name.
yeah,
So I know when he wants you, then he wants you, and you make sure that you attend him.
yeah,
So you know, even if you have a team, but nobody can replace a mom's
no,
affection,
not
and
at
nobody
all.
can replace a mom's attention for her child,
Absolutely not.
for
Absolutely.
his, her. Like you know, it's very tough.
It is insane, but then I think we're coping up with it. At the
That's
end of the
true.
day, you just need to cope up with it. That's it.
That's true.
Yeah.
So what's your now? I know that you've put your hands into something new,
Hmm.
your futuristic thing, which is going to be like a new age thing, which I'll not, you know, I don't want to be very specific because I don't want the zeal and the
Let's
charm
just
to
call
go
it a
out.
thing
Yeah,
right
yeah,
now.
let's just call it a thing. So how did you come up with an idea besides being a PR, besides working with the celebrities to add on a new thing in your life and how will it benefit people around you? Like would you want to talk a little bit about
See,
it?
I've always been,
Or do you want to still keep it?
I really want to keep things still covered right now.
Yeah, but I like the fact that you have an idea that you want to grow more.
Absolutely.
Yeah, you
Everybody wants to.
right. Everybody wants to, but people don't work to that extent where they
Yeah.
want to see themselves. Say, like after 5 years, I want to see
Yeah.
myself here.
I want to scale up. This is the
Yeah,
time. I'm only 31-year-old.
I know. I know you're pretty young, of
Yeah.
course, and you
So
have
there are a lot of
the entire
years.
world to
Yeah.
yourself to
I have
experiment
to
and
like do whatever it takes to make it. Yeah.
great.
So
Great.
learned it
We
from
will
you.
talk. No, not at all. I mean, you have the zeal. So I
Yeah.
think it's the energy of two people
Yeah,
together.
absolutely.
And there's always this constant thing when I know that okay, I am in trouble or I'm looking for something, then I know Jasmeet is there
Yeah,
to put
absolutely.
things right. And you've always said that you've taken me like a sister,
Yeah.
which I gladly accept. And I love the fact that you have found
Yeah,
more than a friend, you know,
absolutely.
a relation.
There is
More
no two doubts about it.
yeah,
Not
that's
at all.
very sweet of you. But I just hope that you're able to come up with something really new that can probably, you know, give a new direction to the generation who's watching you right now and can relate to what you create and can
And
learn and you can be, you know, like an inspiration to them for sure.
absolutely. Let's see
Yeah,
how
yeah.
it goes.
Yeah, that's true. So I've, you know, since we've asked you everything, we've covered motherhood, we've covered how you are around the celebrities, how is this world of influencing, a little more on the same topic. I want to know that what was the right time when you found besides celebrity is another arena that is called influencing.
Hmm.
And how did you think of from celebrities to influencing? How did you make that shift? And why did you think it was important to be there?
See, it was
How
never
is
like,
their presence? Like, I
yeah,
want to know.
so it was never like I only want to stick to influencers or I only want to stick to celebrities.
Yeah.
I want to try out whatever. See, I would love to style a politician.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah,
That's
like I would
amazing.
love to do that.
Oh,
But
okay.
like I don't know whether they're looking for somebody or
Of
not.
course. No, as much I know, as much
But
I've read articles,
yeah,
politicians, they spend
but I would love
whooping
to style
amounts
him.
on their cosmetics
Yeah,
to look good in front of the
yeah.
cameras. And
See, it's not a particular genre that I'm settling with. I
okay.
don't want to settle. I
Mhm.
want to explore as much as I can in this field.
Right, right.
I don't want to get into only
That's
celebrities.
interesting.
Yeah. I want to style everybody and anybody who's looking for that kind of a
Right.
service.
That's a new perspective.
Yeah.
That's a new way of
Yeah,
looking at.
absolutely.
Beautiful.
Because everybody wants to explore.
Yeah.
Everybody who's in front of the camera wants to look their best. So why not?
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. And yeah, of course. I had read it also somewhere, and they say that, whenever you're stepping out of the house, the most crucial thing about a person should be how you present yourself to the world.
Absolutely.
And that's what the stylist, the PR, they bring in you. And in today's competitive world, when you know that your looks have to be correct,
Absolutely.
correct to a manner that you're bringing that right amount of attention that you deserve.
Yeah.
So why not? And now PR is growing exponentially. What do you want to say about that? Like everywhere I see, be it a small business, be it a big business, they have their eyes on PR. There is no work without PR. We know that's a fact.
Yeah.
There is no work without them. How is this industry rapidly changing? People were working by themselves, then came the stylists, then came the creative directors, then came the PRs. How is it happening?
Because everything is evolving. Every brand, every influencer, even nowadays makeup artists, everybody needs a helping hand,
Right.
And nowadays things have become very competitive. You
True.
don't see just basic reels, of people making
I know there
laughing,
is so
cracking
much of
stupid
transformation
jokes.
in the
Jokes.
reels.
Now
Yeah.
people are not looking at
Thank
something
God
like that.
for that. Thank God for that.
Yeah. Now there's real material.
Yeah.
Now nobody wants to make see you doing haha and all this.
I can't do that. That's for a fact.
They don't want you to do that. They want you to talk about real issues.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I remember when first time ever when somebody said you're an influencer, I was in two minds. I was like, am I? Because you see another set of influencers and then you look at yourself.
Yeah.
So then that vision that came from you, that influencers don't have to be like a set of influencers that you see. You can create your own style. You can be your unique self that you are.
Create your own genre. Why
Right.
not?
So I enjoyed that side also. And I made sure that I am just being myself on the camera and not trying to purpose somebody, which I don't want to be.
Yeah.
So that vision also I feel PR brings you.
Yeah, because everybody wants to follow that rat race.
That's true.
So let me also do this.
That's true.
They are wearing this brand. Oh my
That's
God,
true.
I'm not
मैं भी
wearing.
वही करूँ, हाँ.
वो पहन रहा है तो मैं क्यों नहीं? But it doesn't have to be the same way. I understand everybody aspires to become somebody.
True.
But
But you can't leave your true self.
Yeah. In that mindset.
And in this industry, I've seen myself also growing with what exactly I want to see myself and how I want to put myself in front of the camera. So I think that originality people are looking at. And in your work also, I see that originality.
Absolutely.
If you are there, you're there. If you're not there,
there's a lot of hustling. I cannot even imagine the kind of hustling I've done when my child was 3 months old, 4 months old in my arms, throughout the day, and I'm on the phone.
True.
So it's a lot of crazy things that you have to do.
That's true. And guys, honestly, it's just not about, just holding a phone, looking at it and swiping through the pages. No. It is way more beyond than your imagination and your thought process. If somebody is on the phone, if the PR is on the phone, there is a purpose behind that you and me, we don't see. And the purpose that you see is way more wider.
Yeah.
And that's why people on screen who walk the ramp, who are there at the red carpet, who are in front of the camera, is the reason why PRs are today.
Yeah.
And that's why probably you guys are exponentially growing. You are there to help people. You are there to help the brands, not only people, not only individuals. But the reason behind maybe too many brands that are growing up is a proper PR, a good strategy that works. Yeah.
There's a lot in the PR arena, honestly. And there's a lot that has to be explored yet.
Right.
But having said that, this this PR thing is a never ending job.
Doesn't it get tiring like after a while? I know you told me that you've been there from your college days, as much I remember the
Yeah,
conversation we
I
had.
started with textile and then
So, yeah, of course. So,
Hmm.
you know, you have been constantly in this industry. So, doesn't it feel that, okay, now it's enough? I've experienced enough. It's
Not really.
tiring or it's boring and I need a change. No.
No.
It's just a perspective which I just want to, you know, pull out from you. That
No.
how do you feel about
So
it?
whenever I feel that I need to change,
Yeah.
you know, you
What's
know
your
that I've
mantra?
been contemplating that I need to, you know, add on something
Correct.
to my resume or
Right.
whatever.
Right.
So in my
To your
portfolio.
creative side of world,
Yeah.
as much I know.
So I want to like I've seen the back end side of it.
Right.
Now maybe I will try to come at the front end
Right. Right.
pretty soon.
And why not?
Yeah.
I feel you have all the potential.
Could be, I
You
don't know.
you can be a brand yourself, of
Yeah.
course. Yeah. And why
Well,
not?
maybe yeah, in few months probably. Let me
Mm.
try out what I
Lovely.
can do, and then yeah,
We're
let's
looking
see.
forward to that. Yeah. I'm
Absolutely.
more excited. I don't know if I can say about it right now. I know I can't, but I wish I could. But then I want you guys to, you know, stay tuned with what Jasmeet is doing. Follow her page, see her insights, see how her styling tips can help you also grow as an individual, or maybe can help the brands also to grow where you want to see yourself, say like after 5 or 10 years. Because as much I know that, you know, aspiring brands, aspiring influencers, or maybe a budding stars, they certainly in today's world need a good PR, a good team. And if they can just forget for some time that you don't have to bargain everywhere and every time for a thing, if you really want to be where you dream to be. So, thank you so much. We've had a fantastic time. There is something
here.
more, that one last thing which you would want to give our audience, and a suggestion, or maybe, you know, something that they're looking for that even I don't know. And maybe you're much more younger, so you know better how you want to, you know,
See, I would
summarize
just
this.
tell all the mothers and like, you know, mothers who are trying to do something, look for a job or whatever. I would just tell them that, you know, go and do it before, you know,
It's too late.
it's too
Yeah,
late. Because everything will happen. Your child will grow. Everything
that's
is
true.
gonna happen at its own pace. But you know, you will never, you will regret it, you know,
Right.
after some time
That's
if
true.
you don't do it. Like if you don't surpass that regret,
Yeah, that mindset
yeah,
also that,
yeah,
okay, no, I can't handle
yeah,
things.
yeah.
No,
Yeah.
multitasking is not me.
You have to do multitasking in
Right.
life, otherwise you'll be in a dump.
I think every
Honestly.
Indian family should understand when
And
you
there are so
multitask
many
at
PR
home,
friends of mine who have kids and you know they are doing good.
they're doing good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can do lesser work. It doesn't have to be like you have to go crazy, you have to go out there. And even my mantra is something that do it till it doesn't you know, like it doesn't destruct your sanity.
Right.
So
You have to be passionate
yeah,
also, Jasmeet, and we see that passion in
yeah.
you.
Like I can't be like
It's not easy sitting, you know, on a couch, and then here comes a call that, okay, so and so celebrity, that Jasmeet, we want you here for styling. And I know you've helped me in my salon industry also. You've given us celebrities to do their makeup. So I know it's not easy to get there in Mumbai
absolutely
and to get work around these
sitting
people.
in Delhi.
Of course, sitting in Delhi. So that's the reason we have you as our first guest, because it's, to begin with anything, it is very important to know the foundation.
Yeah. And if I can do
Yeah.
it, I think anybody can do it.
It's not like that. If you can do it, that means you can do it.
No, no.
Anybody, of course, maybe gets inspired and they
Yeah.
want to do it,
Like-
then they will probably pull it. They
Like,
have
you
an
know,
option.
because having limited resources, I was never connected
Right.
with anybody
Right.
in the
Right.
industry. There are no brands with me who are throwing thousands and thousands of
That's
money,
true. Yeah.
you know, crores of money on
That is
Bollywood.
phenomenal. Still,
Yeah.
you could make your way
Yeah.
just being a new kid in the industry,
Yeah.
not knowing anything, not
Anything.
knowing anybody, no godfather, but just knew that, okay, that's the ladder and I want to see myself there.
Absolutely.
These are the people that I want to work with. And you still have your checklist. You still see that. You still want to grow one by one every day.
I
You
still
still
have
want to
one thing.
explore different avenues, as much I know you.
Yeah.
And the kind of career oriented person that you are, I'm sure you will achieve.
Thank God. Thank you.
Yeah. No, no. And the purpose of having this podcast today is this only. I really want to bring all those people who are hardworking, who know their work well, who are passionate,
Yeah,
and
and I
who
really love,
can give a message
you
to
know,
people
honestly,
watching.
you could have bought any, known person or somebody like
You
a
are known, of
celebrity.
course, consider.
No, like, somebody who's very known in the industry, or like a politician, or maybe
That's
like
so
in,
sweet of you.
yeah, you could have got anybody, it's not a difficult job for you. But bringing somebody who's always been behind the camera, who, it's a thankless job. People don't thank us so much,
And
like,
I don't see the reason why, because
yeah, but not everybody has, does the kind of thing that you are doing for me.
I find you deserving.
Yeah.
And I'm
No,
sure if there
that's,
are people, if they deserve that attention,
yeah,
then why not?
yeah,
Today, if we are sitting here, there is a PR behind us.
yeah,
You are there. I'm still on a lot of projects. We are still
yeah,
working. So if we can get that amount of
absolutely.
energy and time from you, so why can't the PR get that back? As simple as that.
No, I'm very
No, but
grateful.
thank you so much for being
Thanks.
here on the show. Thanks a ton for taking out
Thank
that time.
you.
And I'm sure there are people who are watching us. They'll learn a lot more, be it influencers, be it celebrities. I'm just waiting for your feedback. And I want you to learn and get inspired by our beautiful Jasmeet right here.
But
Thank
just before we end it,
Yeah.
I want to know, like, what is the entire idea of starting this podcast?
Okay, that's interesting. So,
And also, how did you come up with this name, Chai Pe Charcha? Because I did not help you with this one.
yeah.
Yeah.
But we were discussing that,
Yeah.
there's something new which I want to do. And came an idea from Jasmeet. I was also contemplating on things. Then we, sort of decided, let's do a podcast. Let's begin with something wherein we can probably pull in cumulatively good number of guests
Hmm.
who can inspire people.
Hmm.
So since I like to talk about things,
Hmm.
since I'm somebody who's always wanting to do something new,
Yeah.
so I'll not say it's trending. That's why I want to do podcasts, but it's definitely my thing. When it's my thing where I want to know what people are doing, there's something new to learn. There's something new to learn from you. I'm sure there are other guests who would be coming up here. There's always, life is a chapter,
Hmm.
and you just want to graduate to each chapter in a most beautiful manner where you are inculcating the best. So I want that, as simple as that.
And what about the name?
Bharat Charcha, yeah. So whatever happens in Bharat, we want to talk about it. We want to bring art, heritage, culture, fashion, styling, PR, everything under one name, so that people know there is one head, and we want to give that perspective to everybody, to all our guests, that you watch one channel, you find everything. There's like list of things under it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how we came up with the name.
That's great. Lovely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.